Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Yo, if you want to make rice and peas quick time, yeah, you've come to the right place. Bang your rice in there. We're going to rinse the rice. Yeah, cold water. See how it's cloudy. Got some sick hints and tips as well. So normally you have to soak the peas. I know these things, blood, but it's Christmas. We ain't got time. We're not going to soak no peas. We're going to use tin peas because we're patterned up like that, man. It don't make no difference. Just rinse the rice till the water's clear-ish. This ain't no 2-to-1 ratio either. Yeah, I'm going to show you a little hint and trick. Hint and tip, blood. Yes. Use finger. Use finger. Like Mr. Roger, finger. Yes, you use finger. The first knuckle on your index finger. Just top up with cold water to there. That's your water. That's all you'll ever need to know. No 2-for-1. Don't matter what size your pan. Red kidney beans. Tinned. Bang them in there. Cream coconut. Now that's the oil. You don't want to use that. You want to use the cream. Yeah? You're looking about a tablespoon. Jeez. Just crumble that off. Bang that in there. Little bit more. Tablespoon, blood. There's something that torn up, you know, brethren. Listening, say, oh, I see, you know, 1 Scotch bonnet whole. Bang that in there. Some thyme. I didn't have fresh. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's locked down, innit? So I just put some dried in there. Couple garlic cloves. Some scallion. Chop up that. Blood, we're not messing about, you know. This is Christmas Day food, blood. Just discard any of your skins. Look on this up. Discard your skin, them. Make up the rice and peas. Oi. Man's deep rooted in this thing, you know. It's the simplest cooking you can imagine. Just chop up your scallion or spring onion, depends where you're from, or green onion in the States, allegedly. Bit of salt in there, or all-purpose seasoning. Either way, just a pinch in there, blood, and that's your lot, man. Mix it up so it's all incorporated. Don't burst that Scotch bonnet though, that'll burst on its own, trust me. Gonna give it a lovely flavour. High heat, lid on. Soon as it's boiling, give it a stir, turn it down to simmer. Look at that. Simmer that bad boy. That's about halfway cooked now. Oh yes. 75% of the way there now. Look at that. The steam. The flavours, man. Thyme, Scotch bonnet, garlic. No messing, blood. Oh, this can be done in advance for your Christmas dinner. You can microwave it the next day. And that's cooked, blood. Look how fluffy she is. Yeah. The only difference is you don't get the deep brown reddish colour that you get if you soak it overnight. But look at the Sutton, blood. Oh. Don't test me, brethren. I've got it on lockdown. Make sure you subscribe, man. It's a sick channel, I'm telling ya. Got everything. Bit of coriander on there. That rice is torn up. Yes, blood. Merry Christmas, mofos. Thanks for watching, baby. Click that thing there. You can watch a video on the bottom left. Click the one on the bottom right. You can subscribe. Hope to see you again. Flavor Station for the flavor chasers. Love you. Bye.